Booking train tickets for senior citizens in Irctc is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you don't have an account on Irctc, you need to create one. Visit their official website, which you can see right here, and then sign up for a new account. So firstly, log in to your Irctc account using your username and password. On the home page, enter the details of your journey, including the source and destination stations, date of travel, and class of travel. If you're booking tickets for a senior citizen, age 60 and above, select the senior citizen concession during the booking process. Next, choose the train and class based on your preferences. Then enter the details of the senior citizen for whom you are booking the ticket, including name, age, and other required information. After that, review the details of the booking, including passenger information and journey details. Make sure everything is accurate. Proceed to the payment section and choose your preferred payment method to complete the transaction.